Vanilla would have to be the world's most beautiful flavour, and to really showcase it, I'm going to make a vanilla bean sugar syrup. You'll need a few vanilla beans for this, and when you're choosing your vanilla beans, make sure that they're nice and soft. This shows that they're quite fresh. Now what I'm going to do is just cut straight down the centre, just with a small paring knife. And you'll need 4 vanilla beans for this. And we're not only going to use the seeds in the centre, but we're also going to be using the vanilla beans, because after you've extracted the seeds, there is still so much flavour in the pods. So we're going to scrape down one side and the other side, and we'll add this to a pot along with the vanilla beans. Okay, now I'm going to cover this with 2 cups of caster sugar, along with 1 3/4 cup of water. And then we're going to bring this up to the boil, allow that sugar to dissolve into the water, and let it bubble away for about 3 to 4 minutes to thicken. And that's pretty much ready to go. The vanilla syrup is ready, so I'm going to take out the pods, and don't throw them away. We're going to pop them into a jar, because this is going to continually infuse our sugar syrup. So in they go, along with our sugar syrup that has lots of speckles of vanilla. Now you do want to allow this to cool completely before you put it in the fridge, but this is pretty much ready to go. Next time you want to make a vanilla thick shake or milkshake, this is the perfect syrup to add. Or why not a beautiful cocktail using this? It is a fantastic addition to the fridge.